Well, the international offseason for Hayden Deegan just got a little bit bigger. Obviously, the news from a few weeks ago that he would be making his international debut at the Buenos Aires round of the World Supercross. I believe that's the opening event of the series, championship, whatever you want to call it. That was announced a few weeks ago, and now we have more. In the same World Supercross Championship, not only will he be racing the Buenos Aires round, he will also be racing the Australian round happening Sunday, the 29th of November. Now, this is, I guess, really good for World Supercross. He's a gigantic name with a ton of followers, a big PR side of things, and for them, it's going to sell tickets. If they weren't already sold out before, this is one of those things that is going to push them, maybe not over the edge, but it's going to be obviously a big draw. Somebody with this kind of name, this kind of Instagram, YouTube following, whether you care about that or not, whether you're a old school hardo and say, oh, social media and that stuff doesn't matter. It does at this point. It helps. I mean, especially if you're a rider. It's really good to say, hey, I've got X number of 100,000 followers on YouTube or Instagram, whatever. As a sponsor, you're going to look at that and say, not only are they going to see that, a sponsorship during the races, you're also going to see it in posts and videos, and it's just more exposure for brands, and which means more money. I mean, in the long run, you might even branch into stuff that's not just dirt bike related. I mean, that's kind of one of the big things that without this, or in this sport right now, without a energy drink sponsorship, I mean, there's really not a ton of money in it. Everything is gear brands and stuff related directly to dirt bikes. You don't see like the NASCAR sponsorships from every insurance company and soda and whatever else. It's very limited on what's brought in right now. And if you're somebody that can bring in that extra sponsor, bring in that extra money, bring more money to this sport, help grow it, it's only going to be a good thing for everybody. I mean, eventually it's going to trickle down, quote unquote, not to absolutely everybody, but it's only a positive. And we do have a quote from Deegan or Hayden saying, I can't wait to make my racing international with World Supercross. It's crazy to think my first races outside the US are coming up in Argentina and then Australia. Two awesome spots with passionate fans. I'm ready to race hard and give everyone a great show. And also, Tom Burwell, the CEO of World Supercross Championship, said, quote, Hayden racing another round of the championship is proof that we are on the stage the world's best riders want to be on. Fans in the Gold Coast will witness history when Hayden lines up as part of our strongest ever rider roster. Now let's play the hypothetical game. If he comes out in the opener, Buenos Aires, and wins it, well, he's already going to be doing round 3 in the Australian GP. The Canadian GP is in between the two. Obviously, it's November 15th. Buenos Aires is November 8th. And the Australian is November 29th. So if you do really well in the first one and you're already doing another round, maybe you consider doing round 2 just because, hey, I'm already showing out and doing a good job here. If I win the first and the third one, I'm obviously going to be set up well for the championship, I guess, in a run. They're doing Buenos Aires, Canadian, Australian, Swedish, and then South African. And at the moment, as I'm looking at this, the Swedish GP does not have a date or a stadium, a place, whatever you want to call it. It has a date, December 6th, but it says TBA on where it's going to be raced. So who knows if that one's actually going to happen. We've seen, at least in the last few years, that World Supercross at least drops one round every single year just because of planning or whatever. So that might be it, but it's one of those funny things. If he comes out and wins the first one, you're already doing the outside or the outdoor races, the extra races, whatever you want to call it. Why not do them all? I mean, obviously it's a big expenditure. It's a lot of time traveling and off the bike. And obviously that kind of depends on your team and sponsors and everything like that. But I mean, if he went out and won the first one, you might have a decision to make of why not try round 2. If that goes well, obviously you're already doing round 3, and you might be in a championship run from something you weren't even planning on doing this year. But it's going to be exciting to see. Obviously, I like Deegan. I think he's good for the sport. He's got a personality which I enjoy more than the cardboard cutout people. But he's either the enjoy or hate. You know, there's very little in between there. But this is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to watch World Supercross? Are you excited that Deegan's doing it? Do you care zero? Do you hate him? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.